The intangible benefits. People make a purchase emotionally and defend the purchase rationally. We must create emotions necessary to close the sale, back up with the logic of the decision to defend it. Your marketing communication should provide intangible emotional benefits that convince your prospects to buy and give them tangible, logical features they can use to justify their decisions. Comfort, acceptance, power, freedom, control, love. We are all longing to find satisfaction for our intangible desires. If you can provide a payoff for your prospect's unspoken needs, you'll find yourself well rewarded. Your prospects feel intangible benefits at an emotional level. These intangibles includes many aspects of your company, products, and services beyond your tangible features. They include the feelings your service evokes and personal characteristics attributed to your brand. Often, intangibles are actually more important than tangibles for your customers. Think about how intangible benefits play into your own purchasing decisions. Remember when Starbucks became popular in the mid-90s? Before that, most people were happy to start their morning with a drip coffee made in their kitchens. Starbucks changed that completely by creating a perceived benefit that you need to drink espresso-based drinks. But what's the real functional difference between espresso and drip coffee? Nothing. They both give you a shot of caffeine, and they actually taste quite similar. Starbucks created a set of strong intangible benefits. Espresso drinks became positioned as an aspirational choice. One of the brilliant things Starbucks did was to layer a tangible feature of choice on top of the intangibles. You can customize from a nearly infinite set of combinations to create your perfect coffee. And now, people will happily spend 10 times their previous amount on their morning jolt. So now, think about how you can create intangible benefits that pull emotional triggers for your customers.